Yo, it is 1:10, Friday, September 12th, and as you can see on the screen, I took an L today. Today I lost $1,000 across I lost $460 on this account, $460 on this account. So, yeah, I did not take it on my funded today. You can see P&L still zero. I took it on my 2 evals, took an L, and I learned a lot. Maybe not, I don't want to say a lot, but I did definitely learn something very, very valuable today. But first, I want to get into the trade and why I took it, what my confluences were, and all of that. SMT, we're at all-time highs. Came into the day originally bullish. We had a 5-minute market structure shift, but you know, we also had a failed 3-minute in here. That's why I haven't marked out. We had a market structure shift under this protected low or swing low, whatever it is. But the issue is we did inverse it back to the upside, and I failed to realize it. I'm failing myself with the little things that I said I need to be sharp on. The 1 minute had an SMT where ES took London highs, displaced very nicely below. It was this 1 minute gap that was the one that got inverse that I took it off of right here. See the little 1 minute right here? And I set a limit once it got inverse, so we were down here. Set the limit right here. And here's where I failed. I feel like on the trade, I'm going to tell you my wrongs and what I should have done before I continue telling more confluences. But we took data low on ES, and that's when I should have just closed my limit. On this trade, once it started pumping down, like once this candle was there, which was the candle that took data low, I did close out my limit. I did. And then I replaced it. That's where I fucked up, because when I shut down a trade, like when I shut down the limit, I want to just leave it like that. I don't want to take trades where I'm second guessing it. The trades I take, I want to be so confident in them that I don't have to second guess it. Like if I'm market ordering, bang, no hesitation. If I'm limit ordering, I could set it and forget. Or like when I get tagged in, I'm happy. Like I don't got to sit here and worry about it, you know? But this one was one of those, I canceled it, redid it. So at that point, I just need to leave it. Like when that happens next time, Nick, just leave it, bro, because it's not even a trade that's worth it because you're second guessing it. And that's not what's needed. But yeah, then we went on this candle to inverse, tag me in, inverse this gap as well. So we inversed 2 gaps as I got tagged in. And honestly, right there, it was just, that wasn't good indication. And, oh, got an announcement.
Thank you.
All right, the announcement's over. So, yeah, that's where I failed because we were inversing 2 gaps to the upside and we're so close to all-time highs. So obviously, of course, we're going to run up to all-time highs. I failed to realize that. And that's why I lost $900 and whatever dollars. Essentially, let's just round it up to 1,000. So I failed myself today. Yes, I did. But continuing the trade, we had data lows below. We had London low below. We had all of this sell side below, all this low resistance. And we had this swing low essentially as my target. Was planning to take off a couple contracts at this data low to secure some profits. Was going to go break even right here. Had the SMT above. We had ES sweep London and then immediately reject off of it, shooting down, inversing this gap and whatnot. And just, yeah, but I should have definitely closed out my trade once ES SMT'd and took data low. And that's 100% when I should have just left my limit canceled and not even like have it reset, re-brought back. That's where I fucked up. So yeah, this honestly was like a B to B plus, B.75 rated trade. I'm not mad at it. Like I'm essentially not terribly mad at it. I'd say like I'm 75% okay with it, 25% upset / mad at it. But it's a part of the game. It's a part of the game. I paid my dues. Like well, not paid already. I'm paying my dues by taking this L, by learning that lesson. What I am proud of is that I'm learning from it. You know, and also I took the one trade and I just closed the charts, dude. I was done off the charts. What time did this stop me out? By 10:20, dude, I was done. I just called it a day, bro. I took my L. I lost my band. That's it. No more. No more is needed, dude. So what? I have this fresh ass eval, right? It's in the negatives. And I have this eval. It's in the negatives. And what's my PA in? Well, not my PA. My funded account in the negatives. So what? I'm learning, dude. I'm gonna get this shit. I'm gonna continue to follow my rules. I'm gonna continue to take good setups, and it's gonna all come together. I know it. I have so much fucking faith in it. I believe in myself so fucking much that I'm gonna do it, and I know it's gonna happen soon because I'm able to realize this now. But yeah, back before I get into all of that, yeah, we seen 2 seconds of profit, and that was it. So this honestly, not my proudest trade, man. Definitely not because of these two 1 minute gaps closing to the upside. So definitely not my proudest trade, man. Not at all. But it's a part of the game. It's a part of the process. It's a part of my process. It's a part of the learning. So yeah, it happens. I just want to be transparent. I want to be honest with myself. That's why I do these videos. And I just want to show myself, like, this is the journey. This is where I came from. So yeah, again, should have just closed out when ES took these data lows and we SMT'd with it. And this ultimately right here on the 2 minute chart was the move that played out. This 2 minute inverse to all-time highs. But if we do take a look at it, it was pretty shit RR. It would have had to been a market order too. Oh, no, the limit would have gone tagged. But what the fuck would it have been? Whoop-de-fucking-do. A 0.8 RR trade. That's not something I would have even taken. So, yeah. Hold on, let me put this chart back. How it was. Oh, shit, my bad. So, yeah, that was today's trade. Lost a band. Now, what I want to talk about is that I failed myself today. Let me make this bigger. I'm recording off the laptop. As you can see, I'm in the JOB. But, yeah, I failed myself today. I definitely 100% did. I'm at this site, right? As you can see, I'm working. I have 30 kids that are all 11, 12 years old, bouncing off the walls, running back and forth, not listening, right? But I know that. So I can't use that as an excuse as to why I failed myself today. I can't lie to myself like I was doing before and that I am starting to, well, not starting, but I did realize that. I can't lie to myself and use that shit as an excuse because I know that's a part of my journey. I know that's the obstacle in my life right now. I can't use that shit as an excuse or I'm gonna forever be stuck. That's where I was failing myself before. And I failed myself today because I wasn't attentive enough. I mean, I can't really be, but that's no excuse. Like, I need to realize this shit like, oh, we took data lows. Oh, we're about to inverse 2 1 minutes to the upside. Nicholas, we're by all-time highs, right? I've seen shorts play out by all-time highs already, and I've been I haven't traded that long. So it's a possibility it would have. But it would have had to be like over here kind of thing. Like this would have wanted to be here, not after we inverse back to the upside. But what I did wrong was I didn't use my own discretion. I essentially signal bought it today. I seen the trade, looked at it a little bit, have the kids running around. I looked at the trade. I'm like, okay, I'll take this. I seen Will was in it. I'm like, okay, I'll leave it. I canceled my limit, and then I see he still has his set, and what did I do? I wasn't my own person. I wasn't enjoying my own journey. I wasn't following my own steps. I wasn't sticking to my process. I was looking at somebody else's. I was glorifying somebody else's process essentially because I'm like, okay, I canceled mine, but he still has his set. Let me set mine again. Right? That's not what I'm supposed to be doing. I need to fall in love and stay in love with my own journey. I need to love my journey, love my process. Because at the end of the day, the only person who's going to get me anywhere with this shit is going to get me, not even with just this shit alone, but anywhere in life is me. The same goes for you. The only person that's going to take you anywhere in life is you. And that goes for whoever's watching this right now. I know these are mostly for me, but like, you come down later down the road. But yeah, the only person who's going to do it is myself. And that's what I need to stick to. I already made one step and I stopped lying to myself about shit. That's helped me to realize and see shit like this. Because before, I would have just sat here and been like, oh, I'm working. I got 30 kids running around. I got 30 kids not listening. I got this, I got that. I hope they're not coming to class right now. But yeah, I got 30 kids running around. I got this excuse, that excuse. And what's that going to do for me? Nothing. That's not going to help me improve. That's not going to help me learn. So it's good that I'm able to realize it, and I'm good that I'm able to be honest with myself and say the shit that I'm doing wrong with myself. Because this is a bad trade in a way. It's not like a bad trade, but in a way, because it's a bad trade, not because I didn't follow my rules, not because I didn't have good confluences to it. It's a bad trade because I lack the responsibility of seeing everything around it on my own. I relied on somebody else, essentially. And that's not what I can do in this. That's not what I can continue to do in life. That's where I fucked up. Yeah, okay, I can't be as attentive to the charts because I'm here. And yeah, I joined the live trading because I want to, I trust in them. And I still do. I don't give a fuck, bro. Losses are a part of this fucking journey, dude. You need to take L's to win. And that goes with everything in life. So what? It happens, dude. I took an L. But yeah, I don't want to be relying on somebody. I don't want to be like, oh, I have to leave my limit because this guy has his limit or this guy did this. No, I don't want to feel jealous when I see somebody post, oh, how I made $20,000 today and I lost today. No, that's not. It's my journey. It's my process. Love my process. Love my journey. I need to do that. I need to love my journey. I need to love my process, not glorify what this guy's doing, glorify what that doing. He said, she said this, he did that, she did that. No. Worry about me. Worry about what I'm doing. Learn from my flaws. Like I'm talking to myself right now, and I'm able to learn from my flaws at the moment. Cool, I lost $1,000. That's me paying my dues, my debts to the market. That's the only way I'm gonna fucking learn. Because had this trade hit, I would have continued to have done the same shit. But no, I needed to learn this. I needed to realize this. And I'm glad I did. And I had a gut feeling like some shit like this would have happened because I am subbing and I'm not, obviously, I have a responsibility right now and I can get in trouble, fired, whatever, blase, this, blase, that. But I still should be able to realize little shit like, bro, we took daily lows. You know what I mean? Especially when I have a limit set. Especially when I'm about to enter the market. So yeah, what I wanted to say was like, dude, I have to love my journey. I can't rely on somebody else to help me with my journey. At the end of the day, it's my journey. The only person who can make it better or make it worse is myself. And if I continue to lie to myself, if I continue to do things that are gonna harm myself in the long run, then I'm just making myself worse instead of bettering myself. And the goal for anyone should always be to better themselves. It shouldn't be to set themselves back. You always want to continue to move forward, and that's what I need to continue doing because that's what I am doing at the moment. I took an L today, but I still consider this a step forward. And that's the mindset I need to keep to actually improve upon this. I can't have the mindset of, oh, I took an L. What was I thinking? Oh, I'm ass at this. Oh, fuck this. Oh, that. No. Monday, I'm going to show up. I'm going to show up fresh. I'm going to show up new. Not new, but I'm going to show up more knowledgeable. I'm going to show up ready. I'm going to show up ready is the thing. I'm going to show up with more knowledge. I'm going to show up ready. And what am I going to do? I'm going to continue to execute the same way that I need to be. I'm going to continue to execute. Hold up. I thought I got a notification. I'm going to continue to take good setups. I'm going to continue to risk correctly. I'm going to continue to take one trade. But I need to just do it myself. I can't be like, oh, he's doing this, so I have to. I fucking love watching Will and Steez, and I'm really thankful that, I was able to find them and live trade from them because I've learned so fucking much through it. But their trades can't be mine every single time. Their discretion can't be mine. I'm my own man. The goal of this shit, the goal of trading of mine is for freedom. So what the fuck am I doing relying on somebody else? Essentially, you know what I'm saying? Like I don't want to say I'm relying on them. No disrespect to them because they're excellent traders, excellent people. Bless them, bless everything around them. They're amazing people overall. Like just 10 out of 10 guys. But I can't use my discretion as theirs. Like I can't use their discretion as mine. I can't take everything I do in this market based off of what they do. And that's what I feel like now that I'm here, like now that I'm in this work site, that I was leaning towards a little bit. That's what I felt like today was. And I'm glad I caught it like this. That's genuinely what I felt like today was almost. I'm like, all right, I got kids bouncing everywhere. They're about to take a trade. I haven't even really checked the trade. Boom, let me just limit order it. Fuck. Let me cancel the limit. Oh, fuck, he still has his limit. No, that's not what this shit is. That's not what life is. That's not how I'm going to learn. That's not how I'm going to improve. And that's not the kind of person I want to be. Obviously, I'm going to still show up to the lives every day. I learned so much. It's great to be able to talk to somebody who's making money from it and in the place that I essentially do want to get to shortly. So, of course, I'm going to show up every day. But what I need to change is excuse me, give me 1 second. I need to be me. I can't be them. I need to be me. I need to use my own discretion. I need to do everything on my own, like I was doing. But now that I'm here, it's a little bit harder for me too. So I kind of felt like I did this. I took a step back and I'm like, cool, they can do it. I'm gonna trust them essentially. Like, you know what I mean? Like I in a way I took a step back, and that really showed me. Like that really showed today that I took a step back because I'm here, because I'm in this location. I've traded from school now 2 days. And I noticed that almost both days. The last day, not as much because the class was a little bit more calm, but definitely today, and I'm glad I noticed it today. I'm very thankful I noticed it today because I can't do that shit. My journey is my journey. My journey is controlled by me. And the only way for my journey to continue to step forward is by me continue to make self-improvements, not rely on somebody else. So, okay, lost today. And what did I do about it? I sat here and I'm telling myself everything that I need to do. That's good. So did I really lose today? Not really. I learned from it, right? Right? I'm still in my learning phase. What am I? May, June, July, August. 5th month. I already have an account passed. I have good discipline. I just got to build my discretion, build my time in the markets. I know that probably by December, no, not probably, by December, everything's going to be all right. This is going to be what I do. And I know that for a fact. And like I said the other day, if it's not, I learned so fucking much, and it's changed different aspects even of my life, even outside of trading, that I'm thankful for it. And if it's not by December, then it's January. If it's not January, it's February. And I don't give a fuck what month it is, but it will happen. And I know it will happen. I have all the faith, I have all the hope, I have all the belief in the world that it's going to happen, but it starts with me. And I realize that, and that's what I need to continue, because I am doing it. That's what I need to continue to do, is be honest with myself so that I can improve. My journey can continue to move forward. And yeah, overall the week, we took one L, almost essentially break even, because it was like $70. So yeah, we have a new account this week that brought into the world. So let's look to bring it back tomorrow. We're down 436 on it. That's all right. One trade we get back. One trade we can get back, man. In one trade. And then we still have the eval down 180. So let's just continue to work, dude. Let's continue to have days like this where even on L's, I take a W by learning. Let's take like 3 or 4 dubs in a row, man. Let's do it, man. Let's stay calm. Let's stay patient. Let's stay the course. Let's keep believing. So overall, not the best week, but not a bad week because of the lessons I've learned. And I did set the goal of wanting to be more comfortable on my funded, and I feel like I'm not 100% there because I only took one trade on it this week. But I definitely feel like I improved, so that's it. Let's just check off the goal box. And I forgot what else I said as goals. I need to start writing them down. But yeah, I definitely learned this week. I definitely am better psychologically now. Like this is the part that I feel like I'm lacking, and I'm starting to slowly get over that hump, is this part. So I'm glad that I'm doing it, and I'm going to continue to do it. But yeah, overall, not a bad week, I guess we can say. Negative week. Negative week. Like, profits were negative this week, look. 368 negative, and then on the funded, funded was positive this week. And then this account, negative 463 this week. So overall negative week, but I learned from it, so I'm going to take it as a positive week. I'm going to keep that positive mentality and carry that with me through the remainder of my journey and even beyond that, because that is how you will improve. That is how you will succeed in life. And I hope that if you did watch this all the way through, you enjoyed, you learned something, maybe if you're watching this down the line. And Nick, when you rewatch this, just listen to what you're saying, because it's your journey, it's your process. Do this shit yourself. Do it for yourself and everybody, the family. So, yeah, man, I'll catch you on Monday when I have market open at 9:30 a.m. New York EST. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed, stay positive. I wish you are able to achieve everything that you set for whoever's watching this. I know I be getting like 3 views, but all 3 of you or more.